Okay, we're recording now. Okay, good day, everybody. So now what we're going to do, I just want to bring the pot value and display them into an LCD screen. Okay, so let's start. Plug the LCD screen. Before I do that, the pot value is already connected to the voltage, 5 volt, yeah, and is connected to the ground. Now we need to put the pin in the middle, which go to AO, and it's analog. And that's it, it's analog, yeah, I think, yeah. Let me double check. I think I did it right. Yeah. Analog. Now we're going to put the D1 and D2 pin for the okay. So D1 and D2 is for the screen LCD, and it's a SELs and SDA. Okay, now we're going to upload the sketch. Uploading. Okay, the light is shining. The light is flickering. There we are. We got the pot value. Now let's move it. I don't know why it goes 6 there. It should be 5 because it's 5 volt. That's a maximum pot value, which is 100%. And as you move it right, left, it comes down to should be 5 volt. I just have to balance the. It's not properly calibrated because it doesn't get 1%, so I will have to fix that, but it's not a major problem. Okay, that's an idea how it works. You can do other things here. It's very interesting. Thank you very much. Have a fantastic day.